Hi, today I'm making southern styled green beans. I like to make these type of green beans because they have a nice smoky flavor. I also like the fresh green beans and the onions, and it's just a flavorful dish. I begin with just as many green beans as you think you might need. In this case, I have about 3 pounds. I have my half a cup of butter, a 2 bouillon cubes, a whole onion, and smoked turkey necks. And so this is my sort of secret sauce. The smoked turkey adds a delicious, rich, smoky flavor to the green beans. It makes it not only delicious, but a really full meal. And so you can even have it by itself. You'll begin with about 4 to 6 cups of water. You'll add the onion to the water with 2 bouillon cubes. You'll also add the turkey necks, and you're going to let those cook for about an hour and a half to an hour and 45 minutes, covered prior to putting in the fresh green beans. And so while that's cooking, we're going to prep the green beans. I didn't forget to salt the water, add the butter. And we're going to pull the strings off of the green beans. Now you can snap these into smaller bite-sized pieces. I simply like them whole. I think it's a more elegant look, and so I do that. But I do pull the string off of the green beans by snapping both ends. Next, I'm going to rinse my green beans, rinse them well, and then add them to my pot of seasoned water and turkey necks and let it cook covered for at least another hour. Now, depending on how you like your green beans, southern style, they're going to be a little more cooked than if I was doing stir fry. So just know that they're going to cook down and soften. I'll add in this recipe, I added 2 medium-sized potatoes and for another 15 minutes, and it's done. And so I prepare this on a Sunday or a special event like Easter, and it's a great meal.